Hey, welcome to the show. Today I have the Galaxy S22 Ultra right here, and I have the Unicorn Beetle Pro Supcase for the phone. I also have a Whitestone Dome glass protector on here, and what I want to do is I want to put a lens protector on this phone. I'm going to use the ESR camera lens protector right here. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and install that. Here's lens protector right here, so it's really easy to install once I finish cleaning this up. I'll go ahead and clean the lenses and around the sides here to make sure I get all that dust in on it. After you use the alcoholic wipe, go ahead and use the fabric sheet and wipe around the lenses and on the sides, and then go ahead and get the sticker out and just put that right on the lenses around there. Okay. All right, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to take the back part of the lens protector here off, and then just carefully set this on here. And once you have that on there, go ahead and I like to press down. And don't worry about getting your fingers on the lens, because this is there's a kind of like a clear piece of plastic that goes over that, so we'll be taking that off here in a little bit. I'm going to take the side here, I'm going to lift up. And like I said, this part right here has a plastic part on it. So that goes in the trash. And then I'm just going to press down a little bit on there. And now I'm going to go ahead and put my Unicorn Beetle Pro Supcase together. As you can see, the lens protector had enough clearance around the side, so it's not affected by the Unicorn Beetle Pro Supcase. And it looks like a perfect fit. And what I love about the Unicorn Beetle Pro Supcase is that it has a beveled edge around here, so when you put this on a counter, it's not going to scratch the lens at all. But now you have double security. So, and also, if these do get scratched, you just pop them off and put another one on. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Have a good day. Adios. Bye-bye.